So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem, it's book 1. Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're going to put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because everybody's oh, I'm a nerd. And they're Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN, and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this. Every website has super strict GDPR rules now. And we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mods, so Yeah, Game Doodle told me about JavaScript-based audio frequencies, and like it clicked in my head. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do like dynamic talking, change the frequencies based off of the word length, and give it some sort of quirky talking mechanics. And that's what I did. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. I like it. Anyways, that's the old talking. What I changed was I added distortion using this Create Wave Shaper. It sounds like 8-bit music now. Now it sounds just like 8-bit. You've only lucid dreamed twice. Once when you were like 4. Honestly, I've had lucid dreams maybe like 40 or 50 times. Time is not a concept in dreams, but like it's usually right before I'm gonna wake up. Something weird happens. I'm not the kind of person that knows how to trigger it, but it triggers naturally for me. Maybe I'm just too, like I said, based in reality, too logical. I'm just like, what the hell is going on? I'm like, oh shit, I'm in a dream. And I know as soon as I realize I'm in a dream, the clock is ticking. So immediately start doing a bunch of shit. So I'm usually end up really trying to fly wherever I am, jumping off of wherever I am and just flying, or just gonna do something crazy. Depends where I am in the dream. I think it's really cool with the people that can trigger it mid-sleep. They're able to like have a decent amount of time within the dream, because like I said, mine are usually pretty rushed and I do whatever I want, and then I just slowly start to wake up, and then I'm like, ah shit, so close. I almost time traveled. COVID's been a massive trip. I mean, it's completely changed the world between the way people work, the way people travel, the accessibility to in-home services, the industries it created. I think it's definitely one of the reasons why the tech industry has thrived as much as it has, with the innovation it's bred, you know, accessibility to people working around the country, around the world. Technology's created just for that, you know? Nobody specifically created technologies that were super high quality just so people could work from home. Yeah, I'm super impressed by this virus is what I'm trying to say. I don't like people dying. I don't like people not being able to breathe. And I don't condone starting another pandemic just for new technology. But it took a war to create the internet. It took COVID to allow everybody to work from home. Always wanted to hear this song with some real screams. Give it a shot. This is our alma mater. Why don't we jump on into it? Hey. How goes it? Don't break. Okay, good. Very touchy. Oh no, it's completely crooked. Okay. My mic is very touchy. But it is doing all right now. Hello everybody and nobody. How goes it? Oops, I gotta update that text. My bad. Building a WordPress game engine. That's better. That's what we're doing. Welcome to Orbem Explore. So yeah, I'm considering, do I want to change anything on the OBS setup? Nah, probably not. All right. So, how goes it? Today, I feel like the music's louder. Yeah, I don't think it is. Well, let's see if we can get explainers working. How about that? Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. And in case you didn't know, we have the 200 subscriber giveaway. Woo! I posted about it on YouTube. If you're subscribed, then you already know. But if you missed it, go ahead, check out the videos. My current videos on YouTube. And the newest one is the 200 subscribers giveaway announcement. I posted on LinkedIn and on Discord, and I don't know. That's about it. I could post it in other places, but let's see. Do we have phone working? It looks like we do. Here's me. Here's my setup. I have like a makeshift handy cam. Look at that. Just a bunch of me's. Oh, I don't have it on the other one. There we go. So, for those of you who have seen my dirty office, it's getting better. Especially over here. That big white thing is a paint booth. Hey, off the bed 3D printer. 3D printing. How's it going, man? So that's my paint booth. And yeah, things are looking a little bit cleaner. That's pretty good. Especially on my... I built the new dresser, and there's my NES system. Yeah, it's looking 100% better. This is still kind of a mess, but at least I have a place to walk now. I can walk over here. And then yeah, here's the setup while I stream. My lights. Ah! Ah! That's why I'm always blinded. And yeah. Super exciting. Today we'll be doing some game dev. Woo! So, yeah, I posted in the 3D printing channel, but let's jump on over there. So, the shelf did not print. Same issue with the rim. The rim didn't print. It just blew up on me. Actually ended up knocking my camera out and everything. It was crazy. But, so next time I do it, I'm going to change the orientation. I'm going to do it like up and down. I don't really see a way around it. Just don't know why the rim is breaking. Because I even changed the from gyroid to rectilinear, and that didn't help. So, but the keyholes came out good. Yeah, it is crazy. The Mickey Mouse keyholes came out pretty well, and so I printed the brackets for it, and that also did not work. So it's printed, and then the tree supports were awesome. I am stoked on tree supports. Look at how great they came out, and they were like out. They were off of the print, which I liked the most, and they came behind the print to like get the Mickey Mouse ears. But once I got to the top, one finished, the other one blew off the printer. Watch. Boom. I don't know why. But that happened, and then the rest of that one just kind of stringed, and yeah. So, good news is it worked. The one that broke actually kind of fit, and it was like a nice tight fit. I can show you. Let's do a close-up. Yeah. I'm definitely using tree supports from now on, like, as much as possible. Hey, Asteron! Yeah, I had a nice holiday. How you doing? It's been a while. I was just about to show off my failed 3D print. So let's throw that on the big screen. So this one finished. Okay. And it finished a little warped, I want to say. But finished nonetheless. This one is the one that got blown off, so you can see it barely made it. But this one here does not fit. It's just not the right shape for some reason. Like, there's some sort of warping in the layers. Hey, Pirinator. Yep. I always haircut myself after I get too scruffy. And then, but this one, even though it failed, it actually fits nicely. So you can see here, you get the idea of how it's gonna turn out, and that fits in the wall. But I learned a lot when it comes to what I want to do now. I want to get rid of the ears. The circles were needlessly complicated, so I want to make it flat, like a T-bar instead. I'm not printing anything today. I'm going to be working on the game. I was just showing off kind of what happened the last 3D print day, what, you know, the results. So yeah, so I want to go with the T-bar instead of the circles. I think it'll just be easier to get the proper sizing, you know, on a consistent level, because you don't have to like make sure the circles are perfectly circle and that your circles probably work. You might want to do them separately. It might be because all the travel, it will take less time. Yeah. But the next day I printed 10 brackets. Where are they? So my daughter needs some shelving in her closet, so I'm like, oh shit, I'm making brackets anyway. So I printed 10, one after an, literally on the same print bed. Different. These aren't offset, so these are literally so you can just screw them into a piece of wood, basically. And so these came out great, all 10 of them, perfect. Nice and smooth bottoms, no processing at all needed. And then I found out that she wants them much deeper, and these can't hold that much weight, so I'm going to use them for my office. So I've got a bunch of planks I'm going to cut in half, and I'm just going to put shelves up, like wood ones, not behind me, like around the office for other things. So that'll be good. But yeah, so I know the printer can handle a bunch next to each other, but I think it's just the circles. They're just weird. They didn't come out right, you know? It's too much to ask. But that's fine. We learned, and the next iteration is going to be perfect. It's going to be a T-bar. It's going to fit. It's all going to print nicely. And I can work on the... so this is the one I created based off of that. So this is just the wood-based one that you can just screw into a piece of wood. That's the one I printed 10 of. And let's see here. And then here is the ones that we're going to redesign. So I'll get rid of the circles. I'll just make them straight pieces, get rid of the circles. And same for these. So this connectable one here, we'll get rid of all the circles and we'll just make them, like I said, T-bars. And it should be a nice little H. I'll connect them together. And yeah, I think I'll do that tomorrow. On tomorrow's stream, we'll redesign this, we'll get them printing, and then we should have some workable offset shelves going on. Yeah, so that's exciting. Whoop. But, yeah. So today, we are going to be finishing the effing explainer portion of the game. I already have the custom post type made. I already have the HTML coming out for the explainer, which is right here. And did I get the trigger? We need to get the trigger working. I don't remember if I finished that or not. I don't think I did. Where were we? Oh yeah, we were trying to fix the array for this map. That's what we were doing last. Yeah, I was trying to get the trigger positioning, which is kind of hard to show, but the custom field. So let's get that working. We'll see the explainer type came out fine. Map is working again. Trigger is empty. That's not what we want. We want the trigger to show all the sizes, which I don't even remember. I had them. I don't know. All right, off to bed. You go off to bed. I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, and we'll do some printing tomorrow. So if you prefer to watch that kind of stuff, you can tune in tomorrow for sure. We'll be doing some printing. Catch you in the next one, my friend. And hey, sign up for the contest. I launched it, so if you're interested in free stuff, make sure you subscribe or follow or whatever to whatever you haven't already. So we want this to save. Yeah, I posted it on YouTube, but I posted the video in Discord. You can see it in the announcements. The 200 subscribers giveaway. I also did a Google form for anybody who has already subscribed, followed, and signed up on the website. If you already have all three of those, I'm doing a Google form where you can just, just shoot me your email and stuff, and I'll enter you in the drawing. But that's only for the cool people that have already done all three. And yeah, once again announcing the 200 subscribers giveaway. You get Miropelia, Orbem, any way you want it. Paperback, ebook, audible, audiobook, or you can, defer it if you want. But I'm also giving away 2 pieces of merch, any of the clothing merch that I have on Amazon, and or the 4 products that I am launching. I'm allowing you to pre-order them. So you'll get 2 of the products or 2 of the same product in different colors, whatever you want. You can get 2 of those when they launch, which shouldn't be too long. Just waiting for some paperwork, some legalese. Wait, did this save? Let's see. Refresh. No, it did not. Okay, so we're still having issues with the explainer trigger. So we have the non-array version working. So this is very complicated, so I'm gonna have to really put my brain on this for a second. So if this is an array and not 0, meaning it has array values in it, then merge the values with the metadata. So the first one, Wait, what do I have this for? Okay, here. Wait, so these are both... Right. So these don't have anything. Both of these should be saving. Why is trigger not saving? It's an array. It's coming in as an array. Oh yeah, that's right. So it's probably because this, and we're on the save part, right? Yeah. This is for saving. So it, if this is an array, then use array. But it's not an array, so it should just be this. Oh no, it's coming in as an array. No. This is not. This is. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. So that's why I did it as an array. Ah. Okay, I think I get it now. So this is top, left. I mean, this could be anything. It just needs to be an array. But just so I know, we'll do that. Okay. Yeah. So now it's an array. Now it should be saving it as an array. Lego. What'd I do? How did I break it? What the fuck? What did I do? Oh, it's probably screwing up the load. So this is the save. It's probably screwing up. Wait, what? Where is it? Save meta is fine. Where's the load? Because the load shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter. Get the post meta. Wait, where is it? Yeah. Get the post meta here. Metadata PT. Okay, so if it's an array and that doesn't equal 0. Oh, I guess I do have to do this like in an array, the same as the save. I thought I could get away with it, but now that I'm adding it as an array, I'm gonna need to. Shit, fuck. How annoying. All right, well let's just do it like this then. Dabba 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 dabba. You had no idea why a Squid Game clip was talking about arrays. Wait, it did? Oh, was there an ad or something? I don't have any dropped frames. Must have been on your end. That's crazy. Here. Alright, here. And we'll do this. Okay. Alright. Okay. If it's an array, else. Wait, no, yeah. That's fine. If it's an array. Perfect. Then do that. And then we'll do this. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, duh. It's spelled differently for some reason. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just going to rename it. I don't know why I did it backwards here. Oh, it's YouTube clip that I was watching. Oh. Got it. So you're hearing double noise, and then you heard only the Squid Games. So now we need to switch this to PT meta data. and this for this. New book? Yeah, man. Well, we're on 5,658 words. I am working on it. Yeah, book 3's on the way. It's coming together. It's been kind of hard finding the time to put into the book. Now that the kids are back in school, I might be able to get on a better schedule again and put a lot more time into it. I mean, I should be doing like 1,000 words a day, but yeah, I've been lagging a lot. Mostly because the audiobook for book 2 took so long to review and get that out. So that's live now. The audiobook's out for book 2, but yeah. Book 3 is in the works. Luckily, once it's the first draft is like fully done, it really from draft to published is a lot shorter than it was, than book 1. So, within months. I'm hopefully it should be done this year. Well, book 3. Yeah, same narrator. We got Jacob McNatt to do book 2. He is tentative on book 3 and 4. He has informed me that he's trying to do less book narrating. But I told him, I want you to do book 3 and 4, so hopefully he'll inch out some time for us. This is definitely an array, so I just need this. Alright, value. Nope, I need this. Yes. There we go. Incompatible types. Well, no, because the array key would just be 0. Yeah. Yeah, I like him too, and it would be really weird listening to another narrator take over. Yeah. I just wouldn't be like super stoked on it, but we'll see. There are a lot of great, talented narrators out there. Yeah, but I hope he comes through and he's able to at least finish the series, And the other series that I come up with, I can go with somebody else. But yeah, I know he was struggling this on book 2. Took a really long time for me to review it, and it took a lot of time. He must have been doing a lot of other things work-wise that were more lucrative, and it probably was kind of a drag to finish up the book. I mean, it's 10.5 hours or whatever of audio book, and if you have to go back and do a bunch of chapters, I can imagine it's very annoying. What? Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. What up, cardboard? How you doing? Nope, that did not fix it. Alright, what the fuck's the error? Tell me the error of my ways. I want to know the error that is dying. Oh, here's a die message. What is it? Show me. Tell me. I want to know. There we go. Array keys. Got it. On what? On line 62. Oh. Okay. Oh. Right. I do need to check if it's an array. I just did this. Why did I not remember that? Okay, so true equals is array pt value. There we go. Try again. Hope you'll understand I submitted the giveaway. I submitted my name as Cardboard. Yeah. That should be fine. As long as you submitted your email, right? That's all that really matters. Because I'll be sending the email the winners an email announcing that they won. Yeah, no problem, man. Book 2. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, get on it. It's great. I mean, I'm biased, but I really like book 2. It's a lot of fun. Array key explore explainer type. Okay. Why? Oh. So values is not coming out correctly. Meaning that this is not. So if isArray is true, it is. Go through them. Oh, else. Yeah, I have to do the else. That's why. Yeah. That's what I meant to do. What? That should have fixed it. True, yes, and that true, yes. Yeah, the value should just be this. That's not an array. Oh, wait. Why isn't it merging? Okay, I need to push onto this array then. Right? Or am I adding it down here? No. Okay. Well then... metadata. Right? Yeah. Wait. Oh. Right. That. Right? Yeah. What will the prize be? I'm afraid it's gonna be... That's given in person. I don't actually know about shipping or blah, 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 blah. No, the prizes are Miropelia and Orbem, the 2 books, and your choice of merch from the Amazon merch shop. You know, all of these here. Any of the clothes or the pop sockets or pillows. I'm going to give you 2 choices. And yeah. Those are the prizes. There we go. It worked. Hell yeah. Alright, now let's see if this works. Any 2 items from Amazon. So if you go to... Nope. If you go to Amazon and you go to Orbem order and you make sure it's Orbem order. So all of these items here, all the Orbem order, not the stuff that's not Orbem order. Like the pillows and you know, all the good stuff. All of these. You get 2 of them. Your choice. Any size, any color. 2 items. Yeah, you can watch the YouTube video. I just posted it today at 4 o'clock my time, so watch it if you need all the specifics. It gives you a lot of the details in that video. Okay, did you work? Did I save? Save. Did you work? Damn it. No, but I did break everything else. So that's awesome. God damn it. Why is this not working? Okay, what is going on here? What am I doing wrong? Wait, how come map is still working? Okay. See, now I broke everything but map. Where's my save post? Right here. So you're gonna get the pillow and one of the items if you win. Nice. Well, here's hoping. You never know. 5 people win. We'll see how many people actually enter. But make sure you follow on Twitch or sign up on orbemortar.com/register if you haven't done that. That'll be your best chance. The Google form is only for people who have already done all 3. So if you haven't done all 3 of those, please do one of those. Otherwise, it gives no benefit to me. Well, these pillows are not like sleeping on a bed. They're more like couch pillows. They're not like the best pillows in the world. But yeah, it's better than a rock. I have one on my chair. So why work? So we're getting this by post type. It's giving us an array. One is an array. One is a string, and then the other one is the value is an array. So we're going through this, and wait, why did this screw up all of these? Why are these all null now? Oh, is it because I screwed up the output, isn't it? I think that's why. It's not about the save. It's about the output values are all screwed up now. Why are they screwed up? What did I do? I screwed it up because of the... Right. This is wrong. It's because of this, isn't it? Yeah. Wait, let me follow you on Twitch. I don't usually use Twitch. Yeah, no. Follow me on Twitch, man. That's how you enter. If you're only on YouTube, follow on Twitch. If you're only on Twitch, follow on subscribe on YouTube. And if you already do both, you can sign up. Or you can do all 3. The more you do, the more chances you have of winning, because that means that your email is in multiple times. And then I'll, no matter how many times the email shows up in any of those 3, I'll make sure to enter you in. And yeah, the 100 subscribers contest was a bust. Only like Game Doodle entered. But now you have 200 hours, so by January 15th. Hey, there he is.
Cardboard Drip Dude just followed.
Thanks, man. Always good to get another follower. The system is working. And, okay. What is happening here? So this is not right, is my guess. I bet if I just get rid of this, that it'll work again. Oops. Let's try to do this. God damn it. Okay. So that actually did work, but why is it screwing up the save value? So if I do, will this work? No, see, it's not actually saving. So the saving isn't working. It's just the output that's working. Okay. I mean, it might not be that either. But at least... let's try this. Push. Metadata. Value. This always tells me to change it when I do this, though. See, but this is what I did. Right? Yeah, that's what I did. Seems like it screwed it up. You love the boom when I follow? Yeah, it was good, right? No, you don't have to submit again. No, I mean, you... the only other ways to enter is if you go on orbemortar.com/register. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. For those who don't know. So if you go here and sign up, that's another way you can enter. And then your email would be entered twice. So you are more than welcome to do that as well. But, or you already did what you need to. Otherwise, you're followed. You're good to go. Okay, so now my problem is that these don't work. Right? Or do they work? What the hell are all these null for? Oh, yeah, see, these do not work. Okay, so I screwed up save. I thought save was working. Okay, so we got save here. So if it's an array... Alright, man. Don't let the fish eat your cat. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. I'll see you around. So if this is an array, which it is... See, my problem is, if it's not an array, what happens? Nothing. I think that's the problem. I need an... Yeah, I need... Well, no. I need, that. Right? If it's not an array at all. So that the other ones will save. But that shouldn't matter, though. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. So the problem is... I don't even know anymore. Like, why is this breaking shit? Is it breaking shit? Or is this just broken now? Okay. It is breaking shit. Alright. Interesting. Interesting. I know. Hey, that dude. How you doing? Okay, so this is breaking shit. So I'm guessing it's screwing up the metadata values. So right. Right. This should be fine. Giveaway started today. Check YouTube. How come nobody's watching the YouTube video? I launched it today. Aren't you subscribed? You should have got a notification. And I even launched it in the announcements on Discord. Look. Hey everybody, it's Orbem here, Scott v. Adrian. We finally did it. We made the 200 subscribers. So, just like the first time with the 100 subscriber giveaway, we're doing a 200 subscribers giveaway. If you missed your chance on the first one, now's your chance to enter and get some of the free stuff. Just like last time, we're going to have people enter by either subscribing to the YouTube channel at Orbem, follow me on Twitch, or subscribe to the newsletter on orbemortar.com. Just go to orbemortar.com/register and you'll be able to join the mailing list, which will also register an account for you. So in the future, you'll be able to play the video game when it launches in production. This time, since it's 200 subscribers, you'll have 200 hours to enter the contest. 200 hours? 200 hours, I will calculate all the people that have entered, and 5 people at random will get chosen as winners. So if you want a better chance of winning, subscribe, follow, and join the mailing list. If you haven't done any of the 3, and you'll have 3 chances. It's not a contest, it's a giveaway. YouTube, you've already followed on Twitch, and you've already signed up special at orbemortar.com, then thank you so much. I appreciate you. But if you hate contests, that's fine. But most of don't enter. Fans have not entered more for more other people. Gotten any giveaways before. I've created a Google sign-up form for these specific people. I will send it out case-by-case basis, and you can sign up. And it's been add you into the 5 months since the last giveaway, so like I think it's time. You're going to get both books, Orbem and Miropelia, in your format of choice. We have ebook, paperback, or audiobook, and also your choice of 2 merch items. This includes all the clothing merch items available on Amazon. My giveaway is my stuff though, so I'm not promoted by anybody. This is all me, right out of my pocket. Anything you want, 2 choices. Exciting. And if you don't want any Orbem Order merch, we have the brand new products being launched under Orbem Order. You can pre-order any of 2 of those items, which I will show you here. Around here. There you go. You can get 2 of those. Good luck to everybody, and I'll announce in 200 hours who won. Exciting. Deadline, January 15th, 12 a.m. So there you go. No excuses. My point of view as a viewer constantly, every 3rd vid I watch, yo, I'm giving you some shit. Oh, is it? You have some bad people you subscribe to then. That's definitely not every 3 of my videos. I mean, the most I get is like, hey, use my referral URL to get 5% off of whatever. But I apologize for adding to your giveaway hate. Okay, why is this not working? This is starting to get really annoying. And I'm about to revert everything. Thousands of vids? Damn. Okay, why is this not working? So when you're saving, must be something. So if this is an array, this is only from the PT metadata. You type shift because you don't want to get banned on YouTube. Oh, nice. Smart. I should give away when I get to 500. Don't give away anything if you're broke. Is array, and it's not a 0. Then you entered the giveaway. Nice. All right. Looks like we have 2 people at least. That's better than last time. You can edit your vid when I get rich on YouTube. Thanks. I'm not gonna get rich on YouTube. Ooh, Amazon gift cards. That's a pretty good giveaway. No. YouTube will not be how I get rich. When you launch your games, you'll do giveaways sometimes and rewards will be free. Nice. Well. If I stay on this, what is it? I got 100 subscribers every 5 months. So I'll need like 5,000 months to get to 1 million or something. Is that how it works? It's a lot of months. Alright, this is just not getting me anywhere. Okay. If this is an array, which, why do I put that specific? I don't know why I do that specific, actually. Because this is an array. Hey! Thanks for the subscription, Astiron. Appreciate it, man. Let's go. We reached our sub goal. Woo! As mighty kind of you. Hype train started. That's my first hype train. Come on, people, keep the hype train going. Yeah, connections are good. As long as I have these fine people here. You guys are an awesome community. So I have a good time. Oh, man. I know, right? Where's Indy for the hype train? He's probably sleeping. I know school's back in session. What work should you work on when you move to the U.S.? Planning to move to the U.S. in near future? Nice. I don't know. Depends what you can do. Probably, you know, programming or fast food. I don't know. Whatever's hiring. Gotta start somewhere. Got an idea for YouTube vid? Ooh, what is it? Okay. Yes, we know it's an array. This doesn't matter. Is an array. No. No. Yes. Wait, so the array keys would be an array. Wait. If it's not an array, then it's just that. Correct. If this is an array... Yeah. Right. Right. Key. Okay, so if this is an array, I actually don't need to do this. I could just do pt key. There we go. Otherwise, the value. And then if this is an array, then do this PT key. Right. Otherwise, do that. Okay, I might have fixed it. And if this is an array, then merge. Right, just to get the metadata. I don't need this. Whoops, I wasn't watching. ASMR content. The joys of coding. I know, right? Jesus Christ. Fast food sounds good. Imagine you give a person a cup of water and a driveway and food fast and just hit you gas and run away. That can happen. I know people are idiots. Death metal ASMR. Just been. You gotta do really quiet screaming. Did you love it? Was that great? I know. Everybody jump on here. Need one of those like ear mics. TikTok doesn't do well for me. BBEG. Quiet screaming. Nailed it. Okay. This should save. I think we fixed it. I've been saying that this whole stream. Okay, well that saved, because I already did that, but let's go bop, 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 boop, go. Okay, come on. Don't fail me now. Fuck. What? Height, width, left top. That's not even the right thing. Oh no, what did I do? Oh, hey, look, the trigger worked. Perfect. Success. That's great. But where did this come from? That's not good. It should be explore height width. Okay, so that means that I am stripping shit that I should not be. How is that happening? Oh, it's this. Oh, that's right. The value's not correct. This is explore top. Why did I just write top, left, right, left? I'm so stupid. Explore left. Explore width. Explore height. Oh, no, that's right. No. Yeah, that's right. But this is supposed to be in that array. Okay, so I'm doing one thing wrong then. Alright, man. Stop your fridge from running away. You coding right now? You're laughing. Hey! Let's see what we got here.
Welcome back, mime. Skibidi Sigma.
Don't ever call us that again.
That's funny. So this is correct. This should not be getting saved. So I need to not add those. Where is it? Save post. So I need to not do this. This is a problem. This is not what I want to do. So let's get rid of this. Yeah. So I'm going to actually delete these from the database just to make sure I fixed whatever the issue was. How do I do that? Delete. I guess I have to do it one by one. Not like the biggest fan of this adminer, but it's quick and I don't have to deal with my database tool. Same shit's happened to me now that I return to work. Insert Gandalf having no memory of this. Yeah, for sure. Ugh, Lord of the Ring memes are my favorite thing in the world. Secret Passion. Oh, what do we got?
Creating your will or trust with
Ooh,
LegalZoom
ASMR
is
techno
fast
lyrics.
and affordable, making it easy to...
Well, this is a little bit long. Let's see.
Hello, everyone, and regardless of your opinion of the name, Master.
Oh my god, that's cringy as hell. No, thank you. I thought he was gonna like do some screaming, but quietly. Okay, now let's try to resave. So this did not translate. Alright, and save. Now what do we get? Nothing? Did that not save? Let's delete this and try again, because I don't know if it worked. Did it work? It did work. Okay, great. Can I save the other ones too? Can I change just the menu and save it? Yes, it worked. Can I save these values? Oh, well, these look like they are saving. Yes. It's working. We did it. Just do your ASMR, but with death screaming. Yeah, we can do that. He got some views 13 years ago. Pretty good. It's an old ass video. Alright, now that we have it working save-wise, we need the output to work. Which I'm guessing might... This should be working based off of my knowledge. Let's see, let's refresh. No, it is not. It's also not... Alright, let's try to do this then. Maybe the double isn't working. Boop. Boop. I mean, I have completely changed everything, so it's possible this is why. Damn it. Okay. So values are not working. Shit. Let's find out why. So we have save working, but this is not working. So let's rewrite this. You have a question. Orbem, I have 15 cents in my spending and 3 cents in my saving. Nice. Well, I'm sorry, Indy. But I'm sure you can do some sort of work and make more. When did Gen Z have to make daddy mean something different? Oh, why did they? It's not the name for a father anymore. What's daddy mean now? I don't remember that being changed. I'm not Gen Z though, so I guess that's why. So if this is an array, go through this. If it's an array, we don't need this. But we need the key. Okay. If that's an array, then get the key. Yeah, no. Just the key, I think. Otherwise, PT equals value. Okay. Maybe this is right. Yes. Yes. Sure. Sure. But the way I have it, it won't be an array. It's a kink now. It's utterly stupid. So unless a really young kid does it, it sounds gross. What? You're gonna go listen to the book a bit and go to sleep. Awesome, man. Yeah, I'm glad I saw you too, and I'm glad you're gonna get to pick up the book and rejoin the Orbem universe. Let me know how you think of it, and make sure you leave an awesome rating for you know, Orbem if you haven't yet. Catch you in the next one, my friend. Same with mommy. Ew. Yeah, doesn't sound great. We'll give you 2 thumbs up for that. It never works anymore. What about this one? Does this work? Does this one work? Nothing works anymore. Does hang loose work? I haven't been using these in a while. Okay. No. Undefined array key. Okay, so now it's all screwed up again. Why? If this is an array, that. Otherwise, that. We do need to add it to metadata though, so that would be why. Okay. So it's not going to... Yeah, so we need to do this. Alright. And then it'll just be this. Okay. I think that'll do it. Mimi is probably undefined. Well, then we should make it defined. Well, we don't want to add. Alright. So when I sing Nothing for Christmas at the Christmas party, I feel gross. Your variable might be undefined. I don't know though. You might want to check. It's true. It might be defined. Oh, here we go. These are all good. This is not good. And these are not good. Fuck. Why are you doing this to me? What did I do wrong? What are you coming out as then? Wait. So blah blah blah. We know this is an array. Blah. Oh, it's because I'm just... Okay, hold on. So, this is why. Okay. And then we do need to actually array merge this shit. If false equals empty. And is array. Well, it'll always be an array. Then array merge metadata and that. Okay. So now it should be added to the metadata array. Come on. Hey Orbem. You know you can send print copies of your books to Barnes & Nobles and it won't affect the KDB thing? It only does ebooks and audiobooks, not print copies. Really? I know you can turn on a setting to allow people to buy copies of your book for their store. So that makes sense. That tracks. It's called like I forget what it starts with an E. I forget what it's called, but it's like a distribution method that Amazon will print a bunch of copies for the stores. But I don't. Yeah, I just know that, yeah, I can't, like, be on Nook or anything like that. That's pretty cool. You know, I left a copy of Orbem inside of Barnes & Noble. Just left it on the shelf. I'm not allowed to, yeah, be on a Nook. The books, they're KDP exclusive, so you can only sell the e-copies and stuff like that on Amazon. Oh my god, it almost worked. So now the only one that's not working is this. And I'm going to go back now and see why. Maybe it is this. Try again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Work, 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 work. 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 Fuck. Why is it still not working? So menu's working, but the values for this are not working. Why the fuck not? What am I getting? You know what? Let's output this and see why. I would like to know. Thank you very much. Look, it's perfect. Array, pop, 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 pop. So why are you coming out of 0, you piece of shit? Explainer trigger. I put these here, and yet they think they're empty. False equals empty. These are not empty. So why are you coming out empty? How much do I sell? Not much. I'm not doing a lot of marketing right now, other than just, you know, while I stream or word of mouth kind of stuff. So there's not too many like generated sales at the moment. Until I actually finish the entire series, the 4 books, there's really no reason to start marketing it. You know, people want to read an entire series, especially these days. They want to binge read everything. So it's really hard to make like individual sales and then like people are going to wait for the next one, especially with my schedule. I can't be like beholden to like, okay, I'm going to get this done in 8 months, you know? So, but, yeah, doing pretty well though. Audiobook's doing really well. And the books themselves, I mean, they are making sales every month. So I don't spend a lot on marketing ads. I have like a very, very little Amazon ad services. And that's it. So I'm making profit just, you know, until I have the box set of all 4 books. I'm not going to do a major push. And assuming Kindle Unlimited is important to you, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Kindle Unlimited it has been really big for sales. Now, not as much since I stopped, you know, doing a lot of advertising on Amazon and Facebook, but it's definitely, you know, it was like 50% of my sales for sure, or royalties, not sales. Come on. Why are you 0? You should not be 0. We know for a fact you're not 0. Why is this coming up empty? We know you're not. I saw you. Okay, hold on. Let's see what we're getting here. You liar. Oops. Okay. What are you coming out as? Explainer. Wait, what? What did I call it? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. How come nobody told me that I called it Explainer Explainer instead of Explore Explainer? You guys aren't paying attention. I thought I wasn't paying attention, but you guys aren't paying attention. Gosh darn it. I am a freaking genius. Top, 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 top. Oops, I screwed that up. Whoops. I should have just done explainer, explainer, explore, explainer. Ugh. Why is it not working? Maybe because you're using the exact wrong words. You idiot. Okay. Now it should work. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Come on. Give me it. Fireworks. Oh, you fucking suck. Why don't you do it anymore? Why don't you give me fireworks? Fireworks. What the fuck? What happened to my thumbs? Remember when I said my thumbs are real? Why aren't my thumbs giving me thumbs up? Ah, there we go. Yay! We did it. We did it, everybody. Now we can actually use it. Although I completely forgot. Okay, so the position is the position of the explainer text. This is the trigger to pop up the explainer text. So, that being said, I think I said it was like 400 by 40, and then the top was, I don't remember. I think I was going to have it. Oh wait, do I have it here? No. I had it saved at one point. So then let's do this. So what's going to be left is going to be like 2200 or something. 2200. And then top was going to be like 3625. Sure. 3600. How about that? Okay. But now I need to change all the shit. Okay, so now the meta box is working. I might have broke a bunch of other meta boxes by fixing this, but we'll take that as it comes. So now the explainer trigger is going to take this. It's an array now. I only need one. So trigger is going to be explore explainer trigger, not explainer explainer. And now if we do trigger top, see, I have to do it like this actually. Apparently, you can also sell your audiobooks on Nook since Kindle exclusivity only applies to ebook. Yeah, but I sell through ACX, the audiobook. So it's not just on Audible. It's they offer the audiobook on a few different platforms. So it might be on Nook, the audiobook, for all I know. For all I know. Oh my god, I almost did it again. Okay. So now let's do one of these. And one of these. And one of these. Yeah, ACX is the only one that will get you on Audible. But they also provide it through other services. Yeah, take a look. Why not? So I am going to be buying a MIDI keyboard very shortly. And we are going to be writing our own game music. So that should be exciting. First, I'll be learning how to use it. I am a piano player. I know how to play, but MIDI keyboards have a lot of settings and programs and arpeggiators and that kind of stuff. So we'll have to figure out how to get things to work. And then when it comes to actual music writing, I should be okay. But yeah, that should be fun. We'll take it level by level. Okay, so now that's good. And then these are all good. Okay, so the trigger should now actually show up properly on the level now. So let's look at the trigger. Where is it? What'd I do? Left top height width. What'd I do wrong? What happened? Static. Oh. I thought I already put styling for this. Yeah, right here. Oh, did I not? I probably only built it in JavaScript. That's why. Try again. Explainer. There it is. Look at that. I'm right on the trigger. Nailed it. Okay. So now, boop. Be like, hey, there's a sign there, dick. It's not on Nook yet? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. What does ACX do? So I don't think it tells you what happens to it. Probably just look up ACX in general. Yeah, I don't know. DMs. If you upload an audiobook on ACX, it will be distributed to Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Maybe that was the one I was thinking of. That makes sense. Got it. If you wish to distribute Nook or Basic, you will need to choose a non-exclusive distribution option. Right. Yeah, which I don't think you're allowed to be on certain things and not have exclusivity. You know, they're all just trying to keep all the content for themselves. Just whatever. As long as you're on like the most used platforms, you're not really losing anything, but it does kind of suck. Okay, now the sign itself needs to show up in a certain area. So let's match most of it. So we're gonna go top, we'll go up maybe 3300, and then left we can kind of go out a little bit to 20, 250, and now this is where it's going to change the height and the width. So this is going to be about 100. I don't know, height wise it's going to be like 80 by 120. Let's do something like that. And we don't need these values, and this is going to show up on the map. It did work though, it showed up in the menu area, so that's cool. I also need to make signs, explainer, container. Oh, I already did that, okay. Alright, man. I'll see you later, Deck Dude. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Catch you in the next one. Yeah, okay, now let's look up the explainer container. We have that, and oh, I need to add the styling. to the container. That would be the U. Let's do the same thing here. Now, no, it's not an item, so I have to do it separately. So what we're going to have to do is the same thing. Like that. Oh, I guess I didn't have to type that. And then we'll go like that. And then we got to close it off. Like this. There we go. But instead of trigger, we're going to be using explainer left, explainer top, explainer height, and explainer width. We are almost done. And this is the explainer trigger. No. This is explore. Oh, that's right. I just have to do it straight out. So left. And this is explore. Left. Alright, let's just do this. And then we'll do top. Top. Width. Width. And height. Whew. Okay. If false equals empty, explainer top. That's always how I do it. All right, there we go. Let's see if that works. There we go. It's right there. Ta-da! Explainer. Right here. Okay. So I definitely need to change the sizing. We'll do like 200 maybe instead. And the height is obviously wrong. Honestly, it probably doesn't even need height. We can just do auto. Yeah, let's just do that. Height will be perpetually auto. For something like this, I don't need to define the height. That'll just cause more problems than it'll be worth. And then position-wise, let's move this over. Cool. And let's move this down a little bit. And I want an arrow pointing. Awesome. So 2337. 337. And the top is 3346. And let's do like 220. Oh. Yeah, okay. Great. And now we can just add styling to it. But there it goes, right there. Now, by default, this needs to be display none. Unless it's engaged. Ooh. And then it'll be display block. So that's the thing. And now we're going to have to make the trigger actually trigger it. Okay. But, think I'm about done. This has been a very fun bug fixing session, and I think we have the basics of it done. All I have to do now is get the trigger working, and then I need to get the styling working. Now, I still don't know how I want to handle the arrows, because I need to change where the arrow is pointing based off of some parameters. So my first idea is to just basically make it an image, so you get to choose which arrow to use and it'll always show up in the same spot. Like right in the middle on the top. But maybe we'll give it like a top or bottom option, so the arrow can be pointing like this or like this, depending on which arrow image you use. Or we could add a rotate parameter as well. So in that case, it would be like this. Let's see if it's as easy as I think it is. So we could do something like this, where we have explore, explainer, arrow, and then it'll be an array of options, which are going to be top or bottom, and then no, we'll do orientation and then rotate. Okay, those will be the two options. And then in the meta box, it'll be like here. We'll do explainer arrow, and we'll do top or bottom, which will be like this. So it'll be top, bottom. This will be explore, explainer. What did I say? Oh, orientation. Oh, no, arrow. For explainer, arrow. And then orientation. And this will be a radio in the array. Right? Oh, I don't need these. Alright, here. Alright. And the values are top, bottom. And then we'll just do this. This, oops, shit. Okay. Orientation. Alright. Same thing here. Okay. And then there'll be another value here, which will be the rotation number value, which will be more like this. Rotation degree. And this will be a number. Should be the same thing. What did I call it? Rotate? Rotate. Rotate. Keep doing that. I don't need that. Rotate. Okay. And then we'll do this. Oops. That's going to be a rotate. And this. Rotate. And based off of everything I've already done, this should just work. Let's see. Nope. It needs a... So this is messing with... Oh, I need to check if it exists first. Right. Otherwise... nothing. Same for you. Oh, and this can't be mapped. This needs to be top and bottom. Alright. And then let's do... you. Okay. Now it shouldn't be erroring out. Correct. Okay. So now in this case we want the top, and we want this to be like a 45 degree. Let's just see if it saves. That would be amazing. Nice. Very good. Well, all that work we put into the meta box actually paid off. Cool. Then perfect. I think now I can actually just... I should give them an option for what kind of arrow they want to use, just like the indicator. So I'm going to add another game option here, and it'll be arrow icon. And I'll let them put, you know, the URL to the icon that they want to use. Which, was it? Game options? I think it's something like this. Where am I registering the settings? Here. Right. So I just kind of have to add like another one for arrow icon. Arrow, 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 arrow. And this will be arrow. There we go. Yeah, like that. What did I do? Why does this have that? Huh? I don't know. Wait, what? Oh, shoot. My bad. I took this over. Gimme. Gimme. There we go. So now there should be another one right here. There we go. And yeah. So we'll use the arrow icon that they choose. And then we'll just use the rotate to rotate it. And whether it's top or bottom. And it'll just go right in the middle here. Top or bottom. And it'll just point wherever it's indicating. I mean, it would be nice if I added, you know, top left, top right, top, you know, bottom left, bottom right, but I mean, I guess I could do that, but we'll see. All right. Everybody already left, but thank you so much. Anybody who's watching this in the future, please enter the giveaway and make sure that you get some free stuff. I know I would if I had the choice, because I have a lot of this stuff already and it's pretty good. So have a great night, everyone. Morning, evening, whatever time it is for you. And I will catch you in the next one.